In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install HomeBank, a free personal finance software that can help you manage your money effectively. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. You'll need to perform a quick search to find the software. Head to your search bar and type in HomeBank. Press Enter and let the search results load. Next, among the results, look for the link that mentions HomeBank as a free personal finance software. Click on this link. It should direct you to the official HomeBank webpage at homebank.fr. This is a site where you'll find the authentic and latest version of the software to download, so always ensure you're on the official website to avoid malicious downloads. Once you arrive on the HomeBank homepage, you'll notice several options. The one you'll be interested in is labeled Downloads. Click on it, and this will take you to the section of the website where you'll find various downloading options. On the Downloads page, you'll see several operating systems listed. Look for the option that says Windows. Go ahead and click on it. If you're using a different operating system, such as macOS or Linux, be sure to select the appropriate option that matches your system. However, for this tutorial, we're focusing on the Windows version. After clicking on Windows, you should now be presented with different setup files available for download. You might notice multiple versions like HomeBank 5.9.4 Setup Exe and HomeBank 5.9.2 Setup.exe. It's always a good idea to download the latest version to ensure you have the most updated features and security patches. Click on the setup file with the highest version number, which should be HomeBank 5.9. Setup.exe in this case. Your browser will likely prompt you to confirm the download and may ask where on your computer you'd like to save the file. Choose a location that you'll easily remember, such as your Downloads folder or your desktop. Once you've finished downloading, go ahead and open the setup file by double-clicking it. This will start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which usually include agreeing to the terms of service and choosing a destination folder for the installation. The default settings are typically fine for most users. Once you've completed these steps, the installation will finalize, and you should see a shortcut for HomeBank on your desktop. Congratulations! You've now successfully installed HomeBank on your computer. You can start managing your finances by launching the program and exploring its features. I hope you found this guide helpful, and thank you for watching.